In this video, we're going to take a quick look at what comes in the box for the AVer MT500 matrix tracking box. So first of all, you're going to find that you're going to have your quick start guide right here. Of course, your tracking box. Let me show you the back. You will also find in the box some mounting brackets. You'll find two packages, and these are going to be for under the desk mounting brackets. You also have the hardware for that. And you're going to also have a cable fixing plate. So what this does is it's going to mount to the back of your MT500, and you're going to be able to set the cables on here and tie them down so they're not dangling.